We're going to make pineapple carrot cupcakes and pineapple carrot cake design na... Anong design ng cake mo?
Among Us.
Among Us.
And chairs.
And cheers. Yeah. Good luck,
And
sa.
Mom, why do you...
Marius pre-birthday party. We're baking his cake. Marius, say hi. Baking his
Hello.
cake. So we're going to
You
bake.
almost fell to me.
Ay, just me.
Okay,
Kutsilyo anak, tapos yung panghiwa natin na kulay blue ha, yung pang ano. So we're going to bake his cake. We're going to make pineapple carrot cupcakes and pineapple carrot cake design na... Anong design ng cake mo?
Among Us.
Among Us.
And chairs.
And cheers. Yeah. Good luck,
And
sa.
Mom, why do you... May harang na?
Oo, go na.
Kaya na?
Hindi pa. Sige, go.
Yay.
Sige, go na.
And you cut this week. Pag hindi na move, I can just cut the weed. Pag move na, away this reaction.
Happy?
And pag ay starting yung sweet, it's like
Oh, kumpleto na yung playground mo. Ha?
yeah?
Good morning! Today is Marius' birthday and
ubos na.
look. Ay, ubos mo na yung cupcakes mo. Ang dami yung cupcakes niyang binake kahapon. No.
Ubus ko na.
Papadala natin yan sa mga tiga Valenzuela yung iba. Okay?
Ubus ko na.
No!
Ubus ko na.
Our crewmates are messy. Couches. So yung ito ilalagay niyo sa atin to ha, ito.
Which one?
Design mo dito ha. Kaya bahala na kayong dalawa. So, I'm leaving this all to both of you. Okay? So, here are my two bakers, my cake designers, and they're very busy. Oh, look at your clothes! Your turn now, Mickey Mouse. But they're making Among Us cake. Ayan. In fairness, ha, I like the color that it... Good. Nice. And then, you design it with this one, okay? Oh, how's your cake? Do you like your cake? How was
But
it?
where's the blue one?
Wait lang! Ginagawa pa. Mag-antay ka lang. Okay? And there's that fallen crewmate over there.
Look. May emergency
Maglagay kayo ng mga
button.
fallen crewmates here, ha? Mga fallen crewmates here. Okay? Fallen, like dead crewmates. Okay?
Mom, that's not... Dapat
Buwa ka
pag
lang ng
yung
crewmate
imposter
naman.
ako
Tapos
yung mga
kapag hindi
baby crewmate.
Yeah, I know that.
Mami, dapat body.
Okay.
Mom, dapat... Body dapat.
Look at my hands. So messy. Okay, you
Dapat-
can do it. Ano to?
Emergency button.
Oh, emergency button. That's cool. And then
That's
basta,
not it.
oh, bahala na kayo mag-design. Okay? Doon na tayo sa labas. Come on, mahal. Let's check the outside. On this side are my events coordinator. So, nakaset up na yung pool. And then, we're just setting up the backdrop. So, it's going to be like a galaxy. Sana ma-achieve. And then, there's a note. Happy birthday, Marius. I'm just using tape. Ayan. Everything is powered by tape. Thank you so much, tape. On this side is Kuya doing the crewmates. Ayan. Although wala daw siyang idea kung ano itsura ng crewmates. But, we can do it. Birthday, ate!
Yay!
Ayan, so magbibihis na kami.
I'm white color.
Ayan yung gift namin sa kanya. Hindi niya alam. Ayan yung isa.
No, you make together. Why?
Ayan yung isa. Hindi obvious, di ba? Ang galing. Wala siyang idea. As in, wala siyang idea. Mais, anong gift sa'yo? Wala gift sa'yo today, okay? Kasi hindi dumating yung order mo. Okay?
Kaya,
Ha?
Daddy give me some 3 peras.
He gave you 3 pera. Dapat you ask for 5 peras. Dapat 5 blue pera. You ask for 5 blue pera. Oh, look at Marius. Look at Marius' birthday cake. Gawa ni ate tsaka ni Soko. Oh, ready na. Papunas ka na ng mukha. Papunas ka ng mukha. Mapagkakamala ka impostor dyan. Ha? Sige na.
Mukha ako yung poster.
Eh, paano yung mukha mo madumi? Papunas ka na kay nanay. Sige na. Punas na. Upo na dun, daddy, sa likod. Okay. Crewmates, there's an impostor among us.
It's yellow.
No, it's blue. It's blue. Okay, guys. Wow. Happy birthday. Sing happy birthday kay Marius. Ayusin nyo. Hindi to pasyon. Sa March pa yon. Birthday to ni Marius. Birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Ay, namamatay. Ulitin.
Wala, mahangin dito. Ubus lang eh. Mga lighter niya eh.
Dali, habang hindi mahangin.
Ay,
One more. Sabay dapat. Papel. Mahal, may lighter pa ba niyang iba? Dapat sabay-sabay sindihan.
Wala na yung lighter ko.
Sabay-sabay dapat sisindihan eh.
Cake mo. Marami ko lang yun.
Kuha ka ng papel.
oh, eto, may lighter ako.
Oh, ako si nanay may lighter. Iba din. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sing na. 5. Blow the candle. Taas mo siya. Hindi siya nakita. Ulit. Taas mo dito. Ako magsisimula.
Pasok. Konti.
Napaso ng konti. Ulit. Kanta na. Kanta. 1, 2, 3, go. Lively ha, lively. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Okay, blow the candle. Happy birthday, Mario! Where's the crewmates? The 2 crewmates with a box? Asa na? Because it's there. Because it's so heavy. Because there's something in there. You have to open it. It's your gift. It's your presents. Here.
Dun. Open it.
Oh, you help him. Dito ka sa kabila, Chico. Sa kabila.
Oh, eto.
Nandun sa taas ko yun. Oh, baka na. Dali mo rito. Lahat ilabas mo. Help him. What's that?
What's that?
Ang ingay na kami. Oh, it's already here. Oh, the other crewmate. Check the other crewmate.
What's this?
What's that?
The doctor one. How is it one?
Do you like it?
Okay.
Na-extend to?
It's a backpack.
Yes, it is a backpack.
I want to open it now. I want to open this now.
Oh, you open it. You try to open it.
Oh.
Saan ko help him?
So I can open the backpack.
So you can wear the backpack.
Oh, there's nothing in it.
Ang toilet.
Nasa loob. Oh, see? Now you're a doctor.
Wait, I want to face it. It is flashy. Just like
Ah,
that.
itong sword, bubuksan na rin ba natin?
Yeah. Because I'm so excited to eat just
You're excited? You're excited for that? You're excited for that? Dahan, careful anak, careful. 3, 2, One more time. Natanggal na tuloy. Oh, game. Ano yon? Ano yon? Ah, tabo. Okay, one more time. 1, 2, 3, go!
Bye-bye.
Oh, sandali. Sandali, hugasan mo muna yung paa niyan. Hugasan mo muna yung paa.
Swimming ka na!
Hugas mo na yung paa ni Marius, please. Chico, hugasan mo muna yung paa ni Marius. Chico, hugasan mo muna yung paa ni Marius. Ha?
Now I got you.
Ano ba yan? Okay na. One.
Mama, my feet.
Chico, mali yung pwesto. Baka mali yung pwesto. Sakay si Marius.
Oy, Marius, boat natin, oh.
Hindi. Chico, delikado. Ibalik mo yan doon. O kaya tanggalin mo na lang muna.
Marius, tingnan mo! Bakit kita ako na madalala? Ba't ka natatakot?
O, Chico na lang.
Alis ka na agad? Hindi, ayos ko yung beauty ko. Pero hindi ko maayos.
Chico, tanggalin mo na muna yung slide. Alisin mo na dyan yung slide, anak. Ilagay mo sa gilid. Akala.
Ito, ang bigat niya. Ang bigat siya sa tubig.
Ayun, usok. Ito ang... Ayun ang handa ni Marius. Kung sa picture, cake lang yung nakita nyo kasi ang handa niya talaga ay barbecue. Oh my God, atay. Shucks. Sarap. Grabe. Pre-cook na yung mga yan. Tapos yan ang nagpapasarap dyan. Ketchup, mantika, at nagpapausok. Sobra usok. Kuya,
May luto na pang isa.
eto meron na. Kakainin ko na.
Akin.
Ang sarap. Grabe.
Isa.
Wala pa tayo suka, kuya. Check mo ang suka. Wala pa? Ano, winang ano nito. Ay, shucks na ano na. Suka. Oh, ay. Nakakamiss talaga mag-isaw. Grabe. Boss, magkano isaw?
10 piso.
Okay na?
1 piso. Anong kailangan mo?
Isaw. Ano na ba okay na?
Mahal naman ang isaw mo. Kasama ka ba?
Oo.
Ayan ang handa ni Marius. Isaw. Sa ilalim ng aratelis. Aratelis.
Pang isaw?
Konti lang yung isaw eh. Actually, 1 kilo.
Ilan yan, Nay?
1 kilo.
Yung pala iso na
Ito 2 kilo eh.
Ilan ang dalawa?
Yan ang tamang biyanan. Nakabantay sa lahat ng kikitain ng manugang. Kada magbabayad, diretso sa bulsa ng biyanan.
Ay, mamaya na po yung treka, ha? Kukupit muna ako.
niya ahas.
What? Insider cake. Yan. Pineapple, carrot, walnut cake. Para tayo. Para tayo nasa farm. Para kami nasa farm.
Wala man,
Mag-t-shirt mo, bari mo na yung damit mo. Pwede, bari mo na yung robe mo. Bigay mo na kay ate ang robe. At hindi ka nagiginawin.
yung usok ko. Isa ko. Oo.
Kanina pa yata nag-aantay si Chico. Ay, nakakain ka na kanina?
Marius, where are you?
Hindi mo sinasamahan ng sibuyas? Masarap to, maraming sibuyas. Oo, try mo. Try mo, maraming sibuyas.
Pwede na ba yan?
No running, anak.
Barbecue na, laman.
O yan. Maraming.
Oh. Oh, sarap. Pwede ko lang dalhin sa inyo. Pati yung amoy, maamoy ninyo dito sa video. So, still part of Mario's birthday celebration. Nagluto kami ng, ilan po niluto natin, ina? 3 kilong pasta. And we packed it, at pinadala namin sa mga relatives. Hindi ko na video pero obvious naman sa itsura ko. Stress kami. Ilan po lahat yun? 10? 11?
11.
O basta sa mga kasi di ba nung birthday ko kasi sa mga friends. So ngayon, sa mga relatives at sa mga friends na nandun sa area ng relatives. Dapat pala si Peachy dito ko sinabay. Anyways, excited si Peachy eh. Si Peachy daw excited. So ayun. Ayun naman yung sa mga kapatid ng asawa ko. Ayun. Tapos yung tsaka mga friends ko na nasa north. Oh, yun ang katapusan ng birthday party ni Marius.